Hey guys, look at these two adorable squishies. I can't wait to share this dragon and hamster squishing making kit with you. This kit comes with everything you need to make them yourself. So let's take a look and see what's inside. This kit includes 2 silicone molds for making squishies, a mold release cream, 8 ounces of Part A and Part B Flex rubber liquid, 5 mixing sticks, 2 mixing cups, 2 colors of silicone pigment paste, some flocking powder, 3 gift bags, and support cards, 5 decorative chains, eyes for your squishies, a color palette, a brush, PVC gloves, and of course the user manual. That's everything in the kit. Now let's dive into the fun part, making the squishies. First, take out the mold release cream. Since Flex Rubber is a silicone liquid, we recommend applying a layer of mold release cream to the inside of the mold. This will make the demolding process much easier. Next, measure Part A and Part B Flex Rubber in a 1-to-1 ratio by weight and mix them really well. Then add a little bit of the silicone pigment paste and mix thoroughly. A small amount goes a long way, so just add it little by little until you get the color you want. Be sure to mix long enough so the pigment blends completely, otherwise lumps could affect the curing process. Now pour the mixture into the mold, making sure the level doesn't go above the edge, otherwise it may overflow. For molds with lots of details, gently tap the mold or squeeze those areas with the details to help trapped air escape. Wait about 2 to 4 hours for curing before demolding. Here's a little tip to make demolding easier. Prepare some warm water, hold the mold with one hand and gently rub with the other hand to help the squishies separate from the mold. After demolding, use some mild detergent foam to clean off any leftover mold release cream from the surface, then dry it with a clean, lint-free towel. Trim the protruding parts of the eyes so they fit perfectly, then stick them on with silicone glue. It works really well to hold them in place. Next, use the brush and color palette to highlight the details onto your squishy. Finally, apply a layer of flocking powder to make the squishy fluffy and less sticky. Use a loose powder brush to sweep away the excess powder and spread it evenly. And there you have it. The dragon squishy is finished. Isn't that easy and fun? I can't wait to squish and squeeze it. To keep the flocking powder from falling off everywhere and sticking to your hands, we recommend putting the squishies in the transparent bags included in the kit. You can also add small charms or decorations to make them even cuter. If you'd like to gift them or even sell them, package them up nicely and share the fun with others. I hope this video helps you, and most importantly, enjoy the fun of making squishies.
If you have any questions about resin making, Let's Resin is here to help.